Today I'm in a mall parking lot in my car, so that's pretty exciting. Yeah, I accidentally left my Apple Watch charger at my parents' house, which is several hours away, and I'm not gonna be back there for a few weeks, and I need to, charge my watch in the next few weeks, so I had to buy a new charging cable. So I guess enjoy this really quick unboxing in a car. All right, so here's the front of the box. You can see it says Apple Watch magnetic charger to USB, and it shows exactly what it is. Wow, cool. It's also 1 meter long, but that's the only length that they sell this in. I was gonna get the puck to USB-C because the one I have at home that came with the watch is USB-A, but unfortunately the USB-C variant at this store, which is the only store anywhere near Knoxville, will not have the USB-C one back in stock until next week, and I kind of need to charge it now, so I had to get this one. But I guess it'll just be good to have a spare for the future. On the back, you can see it says magnetic charger to USB cable for all Apple Watch models. So you can see it shows them plugging it into a 5-watt brick, which is what came with most Apple Watches until they stopped including it. And then on the other side, you can see the magnetic about to clip onto what appears to be a Series 4 or SE Apple Watch. And then just some regulatory information on the bottom, including copyright 2019. So this packaging has not been changed since pre-pandemic. That's pretty crazy. Nothing on the top or sides, but on the bottom you'll see just some product information and the price, which is $29, which is not great, not terrible. All right, so with one hand, I'm gonna go ahead and peel this thingy of majigger, little plastic tab with the green arrow. This is where you pull, and you pull that off, and that's pretty cool. Now that you've made your 2-piece trash, you pull this thing open, and ooh, there's another paper tab. So here's it pulled out of the packaging. You can see it is wrapped around this paper thingy of majigger here. Oh, and we got tabs on the side that we're gonna pull to free the cable. So let's do that. Let's free it. It's been enslaved for too long. On the back here, the USB-A connector is held in by some plastic here, so you can pull it out of that tab very easily, and then it slides out like that, and there you go. Very beautiful, brand new plastic. If only it would stay this shiny for very long. On this end, it appears to be held in by a little plastic tab here that you can pull off that is protecting the actual plastic plate here, and there you go. I'm not really sure how this comes off the paper. Yeah, so the back of it's held down to this cardboard with some really awful adhesive that you have to tug really hard to get off, so that's very unintuitive, unlike the rest of the packaging. And so here's the puck. You'll notice if you've bought an Apple Watch anytime recently, it came with a completely plastic puck. As you can see, it's still plastic on the front because it's just how inductive charging works best, but it is stainless steel on the back and the sides. Whole stainless steel plate. You used to be able to order either a plastic or stainless steel variant, but now for some reason you can only order the USB-A in stainless steel on the back here, and the USB-C cables, I believe, still plastic, but they're the same price for some reason. It ain't the best stainless steel. You can kind of see there's some imperfections in the way that the stainless steel and plastic come together, and there's already like a big smudge on the back, but I don't really care because I wasn't paying for the stainless steel. But I don't really care because I don't really care about the stainless steel. I just want a charger, and I was gonna pay the same price for the USB-C one that was plastic anyway, so. All right, let's get some juice. Whoops, that's the wrong way. Let's plug it in the right way. There we go. My watch has been dead for like 5 hours at this point, so here we go. It clicks on very nicely there, and it's starting. It's definitely an interesting look with the black aluminum case and then the stainless steel on the back, but there you go. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing in a car.